Best Folding Camping Cot. We review top 5 best folding camping cot. For more details and price, click product link description. Teton Sports Outfitter XXL. This beast is 41 inches wide. That's 3 inches more than a twin bed. At 81 inches long, it's half a foot longer, too. All by way of saying you've basically got a bed after throwing a pad on top. If you have a larger stature or are a restless sleeper, this is your cot. Ditto if you're petite and looking for a cot that will let you spoon your partner under the stars. Of course, the size adds weight. But the outfitter is fairly easy to set up and is noticeably more accommodating than typical cots once you lie on it. Byer of Maine heritage. Why wood? Aesthetics and nostalgia, pure and simple. The Heritage is the spitting image of an old military-style cot. It assembles fairly easily and rolls up in much the same way as other cots. The wood makes the Heritage substantially heavier than most, but it also has a greater capacity. As for aesthetics, this cot runs away with the crown, unlike with other cots. You could pitch this sucker on your porch or in your yard for an outdoor party and have something that looks like a dedicated piece of outdoor furniture instead of, you know, a camp cot you pulled out for emergency seating. Therm-a-Rest UltraLite Cot. That thing we said about cots mainly being for car campers? Here's an exception. Thanks to lightweight materials such as a ripstop polyester sleep surface. Both the regular and large models weigh less than 3 pounds and pack down to the size of a sleeping pad roll, small and light enough to easily strap to a backpack. The reflective fabric retains body heat, making this a great option for cooler weather. That said, setup is laborious. There are whole tents that pitch faster. And at just 24 inches wide for the 72-inch model, it's not exactly spacious. But if you're looking for the best option for the backcountry, Helinox Lite Cot. Helinox specializes in lightweight, compact, and easy-to-assemble camp furniture. The Lite Cot is no exception. Shock cord inside the collapsible side poles and 4 legs come together faster than Therm-a-Rest's UltraLite, and once you slide the poles inside the fabric sleeves, it's only a matter of clipping the legs on. Although it's narrow, the lightweight cot is plenty comfortable. That is, if you're willing to pay for the convenience in the first place. REI Co-op Camp Folding Cot. Despite its steel frame, REI's Camp Folding Cot is lighter than many standard height competitors. Yet, that solid structure can support a heavier load than many. Another plus? Assembling the cot is as straightforward as unfolding the pre-attached legs. No struggling to stretch fabric here. And at the end of your trip, it folds back down to about the size of a standard camp chair. Some customers report the ripstop polyester fabric is noisy against the frame, so bring earplugs if you're a light sleeper.